Hello, children. Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. What you are doing today and tomorrow will decide your future. I repeat, what you are doing today and tomorrow will decide your future. So, dear children, I hope you have completed your copies. So, let us move on to our study material. In our last video, we have seen how to find the area of a square and rectangle. So let us see direct questions based on that. So question number 1, what is the area of a rectangle of length 20 centimeter and width 15 centimeter? Now here they have given what is the shape, that is rectangle, what is the length, that is 20 centimeter, and what is the breadth, that is width is 15 centimeter. So all those things you have to write down. Then let us find the directly area of a rectangle. We have already seen the formula for area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. So what is the length? 20 centimeter. What is the breadth? Breadth means width. So breadth की जगह पे हम 15 डालेंगे. Next 20 into 15 you have to multiply in the rough, and then the answer will be 300. Therefore, the area of a rectangle is 300 square centimeters. See, all those things, that is length and breadth, are in centimeter. That's why its area will also be in the centimeter. But since it's area, it is square centimeter. So area are always measured in squares. But if it is measures squares of centimeter, then it is square centimeter. If it is squares of meter, then it is square meters. Now see, it is the squares of centimeter, hence it is square centimeter. A wall that is 4 meter long and 3 meter wide has to be painted. Now see, a wall that is 4 meter long and 3 meter wide. So what wall means? 4 sides. 4 meter long, 3 meter wide means what type of shape it will be? It's a rectangle. So rectangle, length 4 meter and breadth 3 meter. Okay, has to be painted. If the labor charges are rupees 25 per square meter, what is the cost of labor for painting the wall? Now you know that when we paint the wall, we paint inside it, means on in the inside पार्ट ऑफ द वॉल. हम सिर्फ कॉर्नर से वॉल को पेंट करते हैं क्या? नहीं, अंदर से भी करते हैं. सो यहाँ पे हमको पेरीमीटर नहीं, हमको एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा, है ना. जैसे वॉल को पेंट करते हैं तो वॉल के अंदर की साइड जो होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एरिया ऑफ द वॉल. सेम वे हियर हम वी विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया, देन ओनली वी कैन फाइंड द टोटल एरिया एंड देन द कॉस्ट पर square meter, then only we can find out the total cost for painting that wall. So now see the area of the wall we have to find out. Now what they have given, length and breadth of the wall has given. So area of the wall is equals to length of the wall into breadth of the wall. So it will be 12 square meter. Now why it is meters? The all the length and breadth is in the meter, hence its area will also be in the square meters. Now the labor cost of 1 square meter is 25 rupees. They have given labor charges are rupees 25 per square meter. एक स्क्वायर मीटर को रुपीज़ 25 लगेंगे, तो 12 स्क्वायर मीटर्स को कितने लगेंगे? सो द लेबर कॉस्ट फॉर 12 स्क्वायर मीटर विल बी, क्या होगा? एक के लिए 25 तो 12 के लिए कितना? सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, वी विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So 12 into 25 will be 300. You have to do this multiplication in the rough or on the back of the copy. So it is 300. So the cost of labor for painting the wall will be 300 rupees. What will be the area of a square with sides 15 centimeter? See, what is the shape? Square. What is the side? 15 centimeter. Now sides of all the sides of a square are equal, hence all the sides will be 15 centimeter. So length of the side is 15 centimeter. We have to find out the area of a square. What is the formula? Area of a square is equals to length of a side in length of the side into length of the side. So 15 into 15 will be 225 square centimeter. It is centimeter, that's why the area will also be a square centimeter. So the area of the square is 225 square centimeter. One side of a square room is 4 meter. See, square shape कौन सा है? Square है. साइड कितनी है? 4 मीटर है. सी द वन फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, one side of a square is 4 meter, so all sides will be 4 meter. If the cost of labor for laying 1 square meter of the floor is 35 rupees, what will be the total cost of labor? Okay, so 4 meter एक साइड है तो एरिया कितना होगा? 16 square meter. So area निकालेंगे पहले. Area of the square room will be length of side into length of side. It will be 16 square meter. Okay, therefore the area of the square room is 16 square meter. Now the labor cost for laying the floor for 1 square meter is 35 rupees. एक स्क्वायर मीटर के लिए 35 रुपीज़ लगेंगे. सो 16 स्क्वायर मीटर के लिए कितने, कौन सा ऑपरेशन होगा, multiplication. So therefore the cost of laying 16 square meter of flooring are 16 into 35. Okay, so is equals to 560 rupees. So the total cost of labor for laying 16 square meter of flooring is 560 rupees. Now let us move on to the problem set 50. The length of the side of each square. Question number 1 is length of the side of each square is given below. Find its area. Directly we will see the first question. Side is 12 meters. So length of one side is 12 meters. So what is the area of the square? Directly write down the formula for area of the square. It is length into length. So 12 12 is 144 square meter. Hence the area of the square we said 12 meters is 144 square meter. Same with the 6 centimeter you have to find out. Then 25 meters and again 18 centimeter also can be solved as the same way. If the cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees, find the total cost of a plot of land that is 25 meter long and 20 meter broad. Okay, now see, this is a plot of land. Okay, means we have to find out, identify the shape. Okay, it will have four sides and 20 meter long and 20 meter broad. So means it will be in a rectangular shape. So rectangle, this is length and this is breadth. Okay, so 25 meter will be length and 20 meter will be width, that is breadth. Now we have to find the cost of a plot. It will be measured in the square meters. That's why we have to find out here area. So area का formula क्या होगा, area of a rectangle length into breadth. So it will become 500 square meters. Since all the length and breadth are in meters, its area will be in the square meters. Hence the area of a plot is 500 square meters. Now what is the cost of 1 square meter? 900 rupees. है ना. So cost of 1 square of plot of land is 900 rupees. So what will be the cost for 500 square meter? एक स्क्वायर मीटर की कॉस्ट दी है तो 500 स्क्वायर मीटर की कितनी होगी. सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 square meter into area of the plot. So 500 into 900 rupees is equals to 4,50,000 rupees. So the total cost of a plot of land is 4,50,000 rupees. The side of a square is 4 centimeter. The length of rectangle is 8 centimeter and its width is 2 centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of both the figures. See, there are two different shapes. First is a square whose side is 4 centimeter. Another is a rectangle whose length is 8 centimeter and width is 2 centimeter. So we have to find the perimeter and area of both the figures. So let us see first about the square. So length of one side is 4 centimeter. So perimeter will be 4 times length of the one side. So 4 into length of one side. So it will be 16 centimeter perimeter. Perimeter of a square is 16 centimeter. Now let us see area of a square. Length of one side into length of one side. So it will be 4 4 the 16 square centimeter. See, the units are different for perimeter and area. It is 16 but it is centimeter. It is also 16 but it is square centimeter. It is not only centimeter, it is square centimeter. So length of a rectangle is 8 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So what will be its perimeter? Formula for rectangle's perimeter is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. 16 plus 4 will be 20 centimeter. Now what is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So see, all the formulas are given here. In the same question, what is the length of perimeter of a square? Area of a square, perimeter of a rectangle, area of a rectangle. So length into breadth, it will be 8 2s are 16, hence 16 square centimeter. So summatively we will write down the answer. So perimeter of a rectangle is 16 centimeter and square is 20 centimeter. And the area of a rectangle is 16 square centimeter and the square is also 16 square centimeter. It should be square centimeter. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall that is 16-meter long and 12-meter wide if the cost of laying 1 square meter is 80 rupees? Again, see, the hall means it will have 4 sides, but it is 16-meter long and 12-meter wide, means it's a rectangle. So shape is rectangle, length is 16 meter and breadth is 12 meter. So all these three has been given, and we have to find the first we need to find out the area of that hall, and then we will find the costing. So let us first find out the area. So area of the hall will be area of the rectangle, since that hall is in the rectangular shape. So length into breadth. What is the length? 16. What is breadth? 12. So 16 into 12 will be 192 square meters. See, it is meters, hence its area will also be in the square meters. Hence, area of an assembly hall is 192 square meter. Now, the cost of laying the floor in 1 square meter area is 80 rupees. एक square meter के लिए कितनी cost बताई है? See the question. Laying 1 square meter is 80 rupees. So 1 square meter के लिए 80 rupees. So 192 square meter के लिए कितना? So what we will do here? We will multiply. So cost of 1 square meter into area of the floor. So 80 rupees into 192. So it will become 15,360 rupees. So the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall is 15,360 rupees. The picture alongside shows some squares. Find out how many squares with the same measures will fit in the empty space in the figure. See the question. एक शेप दिया गया है जिसमें कुछ बॉक्सेस दिए गए हैं, तो ये बाकी जो बचा हुआ ब्लैंक सेक्शन है उसका एरिया कितना होगा, मीन्स उसमें कितने ऐसे स्क्वायर्स फिट होंगे. वी नो दैट नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स इज द सेम एज इट्स एरिया. टोटल नंबर ऑफ यूनिट स्क्वायर्स इन दैट एरिया इज इक्वल टू इट्स एरिया. हिंस यहाँ पे कितने स्क्वायर्स आएंगे, माने इसका इस एम्प्टी स्पेस का हमें एरिया निकालना है. So let us first see what is its breadth and what is its length. Now it is its length. So 1 2 3 4 सेंटीमीटर is its length. अगर हम इसको सेंटीमीटर में गिने तो 4 सेंटीमीटर is its length. And what will be its breadth? It is 3 सेंटीमीटर. So actually इस पूरे प्लॉट ऑफ लैंड का एरिया होना चाहिए 12 सेंटीमीटर. बट यहाँ पे कितने बॉक्सेस है? सिर्फ 3 + 3 6. ओनली 6 बॉक्सेस आर देयर. एक्चुअल होने चाहिए 12 बॉक्सेस, बट यहाँ पे ओनली 6 बॉक्सेस है. तो यहाँ पे और कितने बॉक्सेस चाहिए? 6 बॉक्सेस. ओके, सो द एरिया ऑफ दैट एम्प्टी स्पेस इज 6 स्क्वेयर्स. लेट अस सॉल्व इट. सो लेंथ ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. breadth of a rectangle is 3 centimeter. Hence area of a rectangle is length into breadth is equals to 4 3s are 12 square centimeter. So the area of the empty space will be area of the rectangle. टोटल एरिया जो होगा उसमें से अगर मैं ये बॉक्सेस माइनस करूँगी तो यहाँ पे ये स्पेस मिलेगी, है ना. टोटल रेक्टेंगल का एरिया है, उसमें से ये जो बॉक्सेस ऑक्यूपाइड है ये मैं अगर माइनस करूँगी तो मुझे ये एरिया मिलेगा, एम्प्टी स्पेस का एरिया मिलेगा. So area of a rectangle minus number of squares shown. So 12 is the area of the rectangle and number of squares shown कितने squares है? 6 है. So 12 minus 6 will be 6 square centimeter. Hence 6 square centimeter है, माने कितने squares होंगे उसके centimeters के? 6 squares. So 6 squares with the same measures will fit in the empty space in the figure. Last question. Divide the figure given alongside into the 4 parts in such a way that the area and the shape of each part is the same. Color the parts with different colors. You can now see, if this is the figure, then you have to divide this total shape into 4 parts. But हर पार्ट का शेप सेम होना चाहिए और नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स भी सेम होने चाहिए. आप इसको दूसरे तरीके से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो. एक तरीका मैंने यहाँ पे करके दिखाया है. यू कैन डिवाइड इट बाय another way also. Okay, so we will start the new lesson with the new video. Thank you.